Introducing Great HR Analytics Hub. Unlock the power of your employee data. Analytics Hub helps you make decisions for day-to-day HR operations and reporting needs quickly and effortlessly. Log into Great HR using your admin login, navigate to Employee, Main, and then Analytics Hub. Here, what you see is the default view, consisting of all employee information. This view has been populated for your convenience and can be edited easily using Analytics Hub's drag and drop functionality to fulfill your custom employee information needs. To remove columns, simply drag them out of the grid, and to reorder them, you just need to drag them to the preferred position. To add a column, select the required column from the menu. Also, auto-size columns easily by double-clicking on their edges. These functionalities allow you to extract the right employee information for your unique needs easily. A set of frequently used default views has also been pre-populated for your convenience and can be found under View All organized by folders. These views can be cloned and edited to suit your custom employee information needs. Also of help are the recently accessed views, available for you right at the top of your Analytics Hub homepage. On the homepage, you will also find the open and dynamic search option to quickly search for any information in the sheet. You'll notice that the default sort order here is based on employee ID in ascending order. You can change the sort order by simply clicking on the column headers, which will toggle the sorting order. You can also filter your employee data by clicking on the filter icon next to the column header. For example, apply filters to the gender column. The filter icon next to the column name indicates a filter has been applied. You can also apply filters based on the criteria from the drop-down. By default, the employee ID and employee name columns are frozen. You can freeze any column either to the left or right using the pin option. Also, click on an employee name to view the employee's profile. HR Analytics. Powerful HR analytics, from pivoting and grouping, and subgrouping, and bucketing of data, can be performed using Great HR Analytics Hub. To create pivot tables, simply turn on pivot mode and drag and drop the gender field into row groups. To view the pivot of gender distribution by location, for instance, simply drag and drop location into the column labels section. Now you can see the gender distribution based on location. You can group the columns by clicking the icon next to each field name in the column list, then dragging and dropping the same into the row groups section. For example, based on location, you can group the columns. Similarly, you can also do multi-level grouping and view the results. Graphs, charts, and reporting. While in pivot mode, right-click on the empty section below the view to create a chart. You can select the desired chart type, and also select the color themes as per your requirement. You can also download the chart easily to your device. Also, simply drag any part of your sheet to make a partial or complete export of the sheet into Excel for further analysis or MIS reporting. All your views are organized under View All for easy reference. Here, click on Add Folder to create a new folder. You can rename, clone or move the views using the respective icons. Or click on the star icon to mark a view as a favorite. And access your views all in one place, organized and structured according to your preference. HR decision making made easy. Great HR Analytics Hub helps you meet your needs for custom employee information, HR analytics, and reporting all in one place. Thank you for your time, and do check out Great HR Analytics Hub today.